Hello guys, finally 9 Proxy is back. Did you see the website is running, and after being down it's now working smoothly. So I will show the proxy apps. So did you see here 410 proxy? Now I need to connect a proxy and show you. So select favorite United States, ping low, and select the proxy port 10. Now open browser, it's Firefox. Open proxy option, proxy, add title 9 proxy back. Then type hostname and port. Click save. Then here select 9 proxy and now check whore.net. It's loading. See, my proxy is connected and working smoothly. So no need to worry about 9 proxy alternative. You can use 9 proxy. So if you need any USA account like Venmo, PayPal, Cash App and any kind of USA account, feel free to join my Telegram. Thank you.